You know, some of the drugs that we work on, they're gonna make a big difference to the people who, need those drugs. You know, one drug can make a difference for 1 million people. So I think that that's really important. Amber Malloy, Analytical Associate 3 at Altasciences. I work in the lab, so we're at the CDMO site, so I work in the quality control, but specifically I work on the method development team. The manufacturing department here manufactures the drugs for whatever client, and then they send them to us for testing. And then we have to make sure that they meet all of the specifications before we give them to the client or send them wherever, they need to be sent to. I knew when I was young, I wanted to be a veterinarian because I loved animals. So I kind of knew that I was always going to go into the scientific field somehow, like if it was medicine or if it was something. But then I took a class when I was in high school, and it was like a forensic science kind of class, and I knew that that's kind of what I wanted to do. Like the analytical chemistry, like you're problem solving, you're trying to figure out like who did the crime in forensic science. So I thought that that was really interesting. And then that translated into this job because it's using the same skills as you would in forensic science. It's just a little bit different application, so. So success for me would be measured in like making sure that the methods that we're testing actually work. So when that doesn't happen, then that's when the problem solving comes in. The most fun thing is like reading the scientific literature then and figuring out what we can change or what can be altered to the method that would change the result. I think that I'm so passionate about it because I know that like the drug products that we're working on are coming into clinical trials or going into the market. So I think that it's really important. Like I get so excited because it's kind of the same thing as forensic science. Like you're helping someone with an outcome. Using science to produce a drug to help someone like get medicine that they need. So I think that that's why I'm so passionate about it. I definitely would like to be remembered for being compassionate and being helpful. I really hope that when I am older that people look up to me like I look up to people that I work with. Like I want to be someone's, kind of like role model or mentor. So I would love to be involved in, helping other people spark that passion for them as well.